But let's get focused on a couple of stocks from the broader markets then. Omkar Speciality is the one that we're talking about. The CMD of the company, Pravin Herlekar, joins in. Hi Pravin, good to see you in. Just take us through this acquisition that you've made of Lasa Lab. What does this mean for the company? How much have you shelled out? And would this mean a foray into the formulation business?
Lasa Labs is an API manufacturing company with licenses for making anthelmintics, that is deworming agents in the API sector. And with the acquisition of Lasa Labs, we are entering into the API space, because so far Omkar Speciality was mainly concentrating on manufacture of intermediates required for pharma industry. But with the acquisition of Lasa, Omkar will have the opportunity to go in for certain APIs, not the formulations but the APIs or bulk drugs, what we call. And that's the new diversification or the vertical which is available to Omkar Speciality now.
Okay, so just take us through how much exactly have you shelled out for it, and what are the financials of Lasa Labs? What does it look like? How will it contribute to your P&L?
Yeah, see, we have shelled out approximately 6 crores for acquisition of this Lasa Labs. Though this is a small investment, but we have already planned for a major expansion in Lasa Labs. Thereby, we will be enhancing the capacities of Lasa Labs from the existing levels of approximately 100 metric tons per year to roughly about 400 metric tons per year, because we can see the market demand for the products being made in Lasa Labs. In addition, what we are looking for is whatever intermediates Omkar Speciality is manufacturing, we will have some vertical or forward integration of those products for making certain specialized APIs, which will be a value addition for Omkar Speciality's product.
Commodity costs have inched up quite significantly. Sir, what's the outlook on margins? Do you expect to hold them, or could there be some pressure?
Commodities, that is, you are talking about our stock price?
No, I'm talking about the raw materials. Raw material costs have remained pretty stable, in fact have inched higher. Do you expect your margins to hold up?
Yes, see, normally the trend in our type of industry is we normally negotiate with our customers on a quarterly basis. Okay. So whatever the prices of raw materials today, we work with them for a quarter, and then before the beginning of next quarter, we again renegotiate it with all our customers. And that is normally the trend which we have been following. So we don't face any issue with respect to up or down price rise or reduction.
Okay, Pravin,
normally our customers are well aware.
Pravin, just give us a sense, because now you've entered into the API segment. Give us a sense on how aggressive you plan to be within the pharmaceutical space. What can we expect possibly in FY13, FY14, even in terms of inorganic strategy for the company?
Yeah, see, we are just making a beginning in the pharmaceutical sector. And as I said, we will be first continuing with the business of Lasa Labs, which is anthelmintics for, that is, veterinary applications. In addition, we already have certain veterinary products which up to intermediate stage, which we will be converting into final APIs, and that will be marketed or distributed. In addition, we will be converting certain intermediates into final APIs, which will also find, we already have market for that, but unfortunately so far we never had any API facility for launching these products. So this is a opportunity for us to go ahead with that.
Okay, all right, Pravin, thanks very much for joining in. That's the view coming in on Omkar Specialities and Chemicals. Do plan to get more aggressive into the pharmaceutical space.